What do you usually do in the morning?
Well, first I wake up and brush my teeth.
That's important for dental hygiene. After that, do you have breakfast?
Yes, I have breakfast every day. I usually make some toast and have a cup of coffee.
Sounds like a good way to start the day. What do you do after breakfast?
I take a shower and get dressed for the day.
And what about work or school? What's your daily routine like?
I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., so I usually leave home around 8:30 a.m. to catch the bus.
That's a regular schedule. What do you do during your lunch break?
I usually bring my lunch from home and eat it in the office. Sometimes I go for a short walk if the weather is nice.
It's good to get some fresh air during the day. What about the evening? Any specific activities?
In the evening, I like to relax and watch some TV or read a book. Sometimes I go to the gym for a workout.
That sounds like a nice way to unwind. Do you have any hobbies or activities you do regularly?
Yes, I enjoy playing the guitar in the evenings. It helps me relax and express myself creatively.
That's fantastic. Music can be so fulfilling. Well, it seems like you have a well-rounded daily routine.
Thank you. I try to maintain a balance between work, personal time, and hobbies.
That's important for overall well-being. It was nice talking to you about our daily activities.
Likewise, it's always interesting to learn about other people's routines. Have a great day.
You too. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you. I'll see you later.
Goodbye. Have a productive day at work.
Thanks. I'll do my best.
Oh, before you go, can I ask you a few more questions about your daily routine?
Of course, go ahead.
What time do you usually go to bed at night?
I try to go to bed around 10:30 p.m. so that I can get a good night's sleep.
That's a healthy sleep schedule. And do you have any specific activities or rituals before bedtime?
Yes, I like to wind down by reading a book or listening to some calming music. It helps me relax and prepare for sleep.
That's a great way to transition into a restful state. Now, one last question. Do you have any particular chores or household tasks you do regularly?
Yes, I do. I usually do the laundry once a week and clean the house on weekends. I also take care of my plants and water them regularly.
It sounds like you have a well-organized routine for taking care of your home.
Thank you. I believe in keeping my living space clean and tidy.
That's commendable. Well, thank you for sharing your daily activities with me. It was insightful.
You're welcome. It was nice discussing our daily routines. I always enjoy talking about these topics.
Likewise. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.
You too. Take care and see you later.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.